Welcome back everyone, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the Audi Power Steering Module, PSM. So what's a PSM? Well, for select models and years, Audi designed certain power steering modules that directly attach to the bottom of the power steering rack itself like you see here. This is definitely a unique design. This computer module controls the motor inside this power steering rack, which receives inputs on vehicle speed, steering position, even torque, to then relay this information to other computer modules in the vehicle, which allows the driver in turn to turn the steering wheel in a given direction. These particular power steering modules can be found on these select models and years that you see on your screen. Due to the placement design of this unit, the power steering module is exposed to the outside elements such as water, which can cause both hardware and software issues. Over time, the power steering may start to show more codes and issues, or might even stop working altogether. We highly recommend you get your vehicle scanned and see what codes are showing up for the power steering module specifically. These are the common symptoms and codes you might find on a power steering module that is having these issues or isn't working at all. DTC B2000, control module faulty. The code is displayed when scanning the power steering module specifically. If you see either steering system fault, you can continue driving, or steering defective, do not drive your vehicle, displaying on your instrument LCD. Regardless of which message is displayed, if either of these warnings is on, I would highly advise against operating the vehicle until the issue gets resolved. DTCs relating to the steering angle sensor. After scanning your vehicle with a scan tool, visit our website upfix.com and find the service repair page for your particular unit. If the codes and issues match what you're currently experiencing on your vehicle, send it in for repair. Please do not send in the entire power steering rack. Simply disconnect the harness plugs and remove the power steering module from the power steering rack itself. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. In conclusion, these power steering modules are VIN encoded and are very specific in terms of compatibility with the specific power steering racks. Having your original PSM repaired by us keeps you on the road safely again, and also saves you a ton of money by not having to replace this computer module with another one, which will also require having it coded to your vehicle. If you like this video and like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.